Welcome to 823 Wingarden Crescent, a stunning 4-bedroom executive home with 5 washrooms, situated within an upscale enclave on a quiet cul-de-sac within Pickering's prestigious and highly sought-after Dunbarton neighbourhood. A brick and stone exterior, a landscape perennial garden, and stone steps to an arched portico accentuate the stately curb appeal of the home. And beyond glass-paneled double entry doors accented with wrought iron inserts is an incredibly spacious foyer that is open to both the main and lower levels. Upgraded tiled flooring laid on the diagonal flows throughout the foyer, the lower level landing, as well as the reception hall, the powder room, and kitchen area. And to all levels are hardwood staircases, their railings having wrought iron pickets. The reception hall and foyer have been elegantly finished with deep crown moldings, while pot lighting, California shutters, and upgraded baseboards are showcased throughout much of the home. Dark hardwood flooring brings rich warmth to the living, dining, and family rooms, the formal dining room additionally featuring an octagonal-shaped coffered ceiling with an elegant light fixture and having direct access from the kitchen for entertaining convenience. The generously sized family room has an oversized southwest-facing window overlooking the backyard and the added coziness of a gas fireplace with a stone accent facade surrounded by an elegant mantel. And with this room's openness and ease of flow to both the kitchen and the dining area, the layout of the main level will greatly please those who entertain on a regular basis. Custom designed and a home chef's dream, the kitchen is a blend of traditional and modern elements that bring both exceptional beauty and functionality to the space. Glass pendant lights illuminate an island with seating. The deeply hued cabinetry has extended height uppers finished with crown moldings, offers abundant storage including 2 pantry areas, and its valance lighting accentuates the earthen tones of the stacked stone backsplashes, while dark stone countertops enrich the warmth of the kitchen, which is complete with a stainless steel double undermount sink, a built-in dishwasher, wall oven and microwave, a gas range, a range hood, a French door fridge, and a bar fridge. Off the breakfast area is a sliding door walkout with a transom and privacy blinds, which opens to a pie-shaped backyard with a stone patio that stretches beyond the width of the home, offering abundant outdoor entertaining space during the warm weather months. Fully fenced, the yard has a raised stone garden bed at the rear, enjoys the brightness of a southwesterly exposure, and is also accessible from the front yard via a tiered stone walkway leading to a double fence gate. Built-in surround sound speakers are featured throughout much of the main level. The main and upper levels also have high ceilings with extended height room entries. And the main level additionally features a powder room with an elegant pedestal sink, a private home office finished with hardwood flooring, and a storage area under the stairs to the upper level, while at mid-level is the impressive living room. A cathedral ceiling and a massive Palladian window enhances the grandeur of this beautiful entertaining space. And being open to both the main and upper hallways, the natural light that permeates this room also spills into those respective levels as well. The upper level hallway showcases hardwood flooring and deep crown moldings, with all 4 bedrooms having the coziness of Berber broadloom and tiled flooring finishing the 3 washrooms. The fourth bedroom features an arched window with a raised ceiling above, ample closet storage, and a 4-piece ensuite washroom with a space-saving vanity, as well as a tiled bath and shower area with a mosaic accent border. Both the second and third bedrooms have large double closets, the second bedroom also featuring a recessed wall ledge for storage or display purposes, and all 3 of these bedrooms have upgraded light fixtures and can accommodate sitting or study areas. While a double linen closet is located just down the hall from the main 4-piece washroom, which features a tiled bath and shower area with a mosaic accent border, as well as a vanity with a stone counter and undermount basin. Double doors open into the graciously sized master suite, which has ample space for a sitting area, the natural brightness of a southwesterly exposure, a walk-in closet with organizers, and an octagonal-shaped coffered ceiling with crown moldings. Its spa-like ensuite washroom is absolutely stunning, showcasing upgraded tiled finishes and lighting, a glass shower with a rainfall shower and body jets, a corner tub with a mosaic accent border, a toilet and bidet, as well as a vanity with a stone counter and undermount basins. Conveniently located off the mid-level landing is a laundry room with a tiled floor, a washer and dryer, a mosaic tiled backsplash, and storage cabinets. The main level foyer is illuminated by a scrolled metal chandelier and has a double coat closet, and the lower level landing is where you find a storage area under the staircase, a mirrored door coat closet across from the access door to the double car garage, and a side door to access the tiered walkway to the backyard. A set of French doors opens into the exceptional entertaining space offered by the impressive recreation area. Showcasing upgraded wide plank flooring and oversized windows, this room has built-in storage cabinets along its northeast wall and with its custom media unit, which also has a marble mantel shelf and a marble accent facade surrounding its gas fireplace. Designed with both entertaining and personal use in mind, the bar area is also a fully functional kitchen showcasing cabinetry finished with crown moldings and having ample storage, appliances that include a glass cooktop, plus a stainless steel fridge and a built-in dishwasher, wall oven, and microwave, marble countertops, as well as an island with a stainless steel double undermount sink and raised bar seating. The furnace room also offers additional storage, and completing this level is a 3-piece washroom with stone-tiled finishes, a glass shower area, and a pedestal sink. Close to highly rated public and Catholic schools, Bonita Park and the Dunbarton Creek Ravine, as well as being minutes from the Amberley, Steeple Hill, and Brookdale shopping centres. This home is also just a short walk to the Pickering Town Centre Mall and the GO station, as well as having easy access to Highway 401, and is close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.